Welcome back, guys. Crypto for Life channel. Today we'll talk about a world token targets updates with my customer said. What's going on now? Basically, guys, everything's still relevant, and I'm waiting this measure account from the video where I posted updates about the last one about world token. Why we pump it? Because, like usual, the UpBit Korean exchange lists the world token, and we pump it. Why this time this pump on UpBit listing maybe will not play out like usual. Usually it playing out like this one. So we pump in one single candle, maybe not in one, this one, daily. Yes, 1, 2, we pump, and usually the UpBit listing playing out after that, dip correction. Possible? Possible. In this case, the 0.5 and 61 will be still absolutely the same zone of support. This time, the UpBit listing maybe will play now kind of different because of seasonality, because of Fed decision rate. So it's so boring to talk about the same things all the time because like majority now wait that, that day when the Feds will start cut the rate and all the market will skyrocket to the moon because it's happened before. I'm not sure it will happen again like previous one. Maybe once again, I'm so skeptical and everything's so simple, right? Anyway, with that decision or without that decision, maybe the alts will perform no matter what's happened with the Fed, right? Because I think that Binance, Bitcoin on a Binance, will hit the new all-time high again with the Fed decision, without the Fed decision. And now, like you can see, this UpBit listing in the right time, in the right moment to treat the people, buy more tokens, right? And the venture funds anyway will distribute the bags on retails later. And the problem is, if you could buy, for example, the week ago, you can already withdraw the initial deposit, one take. But imagine somebody will buy only now. And to withdraw the initial deposit, the price should hit like over this liquidity pool, 116. And I'm more than sure the people so greedy, they will not fix the 100% profit because they wait a so high price. After that, the price can go higher to $6.80. And people will still not fix the profit because they waited so high a price. But for that guys who accumulated basically at the beginning of September, it will be 700%, almost 10x, 7x, guys. Imagine, feel the difference, right? And the venture funds will start distribute the back step by step, treat the people more. And yes, it's possible to hit the new all-time high, like $12, maybe even like crazy. This is uptrend rejection line. Maybe we're gonna hit even the $26. Who knows? It will be just a mind-blowing. It will be the pure bubble because the capitalization of the world coin will be so huge, FDV especially. And honestly, I don't think so. The world token will hit over than $20. For me, it sounds even ridiculous. That's why the first logic zones of fixation, where most likely we will see some rejection, it's this block, where that one, not that one, we can delete it. Not that one, not that one. So, all right, whatever. This block, guys. This block, it's a zone of fixation profit. Swing trades. Usually it playing out based on this model, 27 blocks. 287.38. So this is a zone where you need to fix the profit for swing trades. If you accumulate it here in a bad zone to buy or accumulate around 61 level fee, the okay zone to buy. This is going to be the fixation of swing trades where you need to withdraw initial deposit. I skip the world token because I don't like the even idea of this token. And guys, I'm waiting the other tokens what I accumulated. But anyway, congrats everybody who took a risk here. On the like $1 at 57 cents, 60 cents, you now in a great profit. And guys, it will be never a mistake if you withdraw initial deposit. First goal, save initial deposits. Second one, it's increase it. So this is the next trouble areas, 245, 286, 287, 38. And yes, we can see still will be like still downtrend line. just hypothetical. Let's go to the line chart. This one, I mean. This. Usually the people that draw the trend lines like this, one touch, second one, but in many cases, we should skip the second one. And this is going to be the second one. And usually the price action looks like pump, drop, and go higher. So this is it. Of course, it's hard to imagine by timing, but yes, I believe simply because of seasonality, not because this is a so great project. This can't be so great project if the token dumped from $12 to 50 cents just in a year. So what's the point of that asset? It's every single token is a risky asset. But now I think they will treat the retailers to buy more alts, and everybody who been in fear just a week ago or months ago or here in April, where there was a great time for accumulation, they will regret it and start buying a higher price. So imagine the difference if someone will buy the world token at $4 and somebody already will fix the profit if he bought at 50 cents, 57. For someone, it's going to be just an entry. For someone, it's going to be 5x. Feel the difference. That's why, guys, like conclusion for the local price section, I think we will see the rejection here. 287.38 before the Fed decision, 17 September. Let's double check with indicator set, guys. What's happening now? Here, this is still not a distribution zone. We need to see some crazy zones like this one to out of the world token, and most likely we will form the divergence. Here's the top at 419. We will hit and touch the top, but lower hill than previous one on ADZ, but it will be the price higher. So it can looks like this one. And the variance will be, for example, just the interior, and something like this one. And it's going to be the top. And we will not touch the all-time, yes, it will be the all-time high, but not $20 or higher. And will be the variance on a weekly time frame. That's why, guys, track the ADZ indicator, the top, and track the variance. And now we're just in the middle. So it's not that bearish. Direction will not hit the top. So this is not end the cycle for the world token. This was a capitulation time to accumulate world token. Now it's just a hopium, positive, I call it. This one, the green one, green zone. It's just a positive. So the retailers only start looking, wow, this token is pumping. Maybe I need to buy it. But guys, time to buy in here. In the zone of interest, red one zone and the green one zone, like the best one. We use that model for tokens after listing all the time. Just 3 years we use that model, and this model get a pretty good win rate, totally for free. You can go and check free educational video how to work with this model. What we can see here, daily sell was in June, end of June. We dump it from $1.39 to 84 cents. All this same period, like you can see, the whales accumulate buybacks. This is a buybacks. Main signal to buy was here. After that, here is accumulation based on direction indicator. Now, no signal to out, like this one. It was in December 24. So this is not a time to out of world token for its spot, but kind of can be overhit based on market mode indicator. That's why, yes, I wish to see one more like 1, 2, 3 candle up, and after that correction from $3 to $1.91, for example, and go higher to $6. So this is it. You can track, guys. I highly recommend you track this data, with this set link on the description below. Trade on indicator here I showed you, 12-hour time frame, guys. Still no signal to sell. Nice one. The last two indicators, money power. What do we can see now? Here, the whales fixed some profit here. Why? Because the money inflow being one at 90 cents here, second one at 83. Some fixation being at $1.05. And we go higher. Now, no fixations. It's a good one on 12 time frame. On the daily, yes, the bigger whales fix on the daily. I don't know why they post some latest updates if there is almost no news about a world token. But the K moment, guys, there is no fixation on a weekly. You know, it means long-term holder, long-term investors still not out of the world token. Because take a look, the last time accumulation was here, summer 24, August the last one, also at $1.43. They pushed the price to $4.19 and out of the token. Dump. Now, the same story. Money in February 25, $1.07, and no money outflow yet. This is it. And the last, guys, indicator I would like to show you, it's a take profit. Take profit here. The order will be open 344. This is it. 344, believe it or not, but we're going to test it. Exit line, it's 389. Daily, yes, we trade over exit line, but I wish to see the high price. 380, 388, maybe even sweep the 420. It doesn't mean it's good the time to buy now. No, good time to buy was here, or at least now, or at least in the red zone. Now, I'm not recommend you to buy, but of course it's up to you. It's up to you. If you bought it, for example, 50 cents, and you feel comfortable now to use DCA, right, and buy it again at $2, your entry will be around like $1. So at $3, it will be like 200% profit. That's why, guys, targets relevant. Mark your, let's add alert to take profit level. I will see then take profit line. I will see the notification when we're gonna hit the take profit line. When? Nobody knows. But this is it. And this is a target we're more than okay to fix the profit here if you accumulated in the best zone to buy 400%. Got it. Next step is 650 and a new all-time high. I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what you think about this UpBit listing world token. If you'd like to trade it with my customer, because I will show it in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.